In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Google Maps to your WordPress website. This will be a quick step-by-step tutorial. So first you want to open up Google Maps and obviously find the location of your business that you want to add. I'm just using this random lodge. I don't own it, but this is what I'm using as an example. So you want to go ahead and click on the business and open the business page. So I'll just open this one as an example. You then need to go ahead and go to share, then go embed a map, and you want to then copy this HTML code, and this is what it will look like when it's embedded on your website. Then head over to your website and go ahead and find the page which you want to add it to. So I'm going to go to the dashboard of my WordPress website. I'll then go to pages, all pages. We can then scroll down, we'll find the contact us page, and I'll go ahead and click edit and put it there. Now what you can do is you can now find a place for it. So I'm going to click enter a couple times and we'll go ahead and add a new block. So go to toggle block inserter in the top left and click on that. Now you want to type out custom HTML. So go to your search box, type in custom, and you'll see here custom HTML. Go ahead and drag that on. If it doesn't go on how you want it to and where you want it to, you need to go ahead and convert your page here to blocks. So click convert to blocks, and then you'll be able to insert your custom HTML. So now we can drag it where we want it to. So now with our custom HTML embedded, we can now go ahead and paste in the code. And once you've pasted it in, I would recommend you click on preview just to make sure it's working. Now update your page and view that page. And here you can see we now have the Google Maps location added to WordPress in under 2 minutes. If that helped you out, please do leave a like and comment.